AU Chief Squad nakamit ang 6-peat victory sa cheerleading competition. Ang detalye sa report.
Makapigil hininga, nakamamangha at talaga namang nakabubuhay ng school spirit. Ganyan ang rutinang bawat isa sa siyam na school na lumahok sa NCAA Season 100 cheerleading competition kahapon sa Pasay City. Sa bawat stunt at cheer, kitang-kita kung paanong pinaghandaan ng squad ang kanilang performance. Inabangan ng lahat kung madidepensahan ng AU Chief Squad ng Arellano University ang kanilang korona. Sa gitna ng performance, may isang stunt silang hindi nagawa. Pero sa huli, Arellano University pa rin ang cheerleading champion sa makasaysayang 6-peat win.
I-expect ako na kayang-kaya pa rin namin mag-champion dahil sa skills and difficulty ng mga ginawa namin. Pero kanina syempre, naging hopeless ako kasi nagkaroon din kami ng error eh. Pero siguro nga, tumaas pa rin yung scores namin dahil nga sa difficulty na ginawa namin. Sa team ko, thank you so much. Especially sa sacrifice nila, sa pag-intindi nila.
Mag-uuwi sila ng 100,000 pesos cash prize. First runner-up uli ang Altas Prep Squad ng University of Perpetual Health System Dalta na mag-uuwi ng 75,000 pesos cash prize. Habang second runner-up ang Letran Cheering Squad with 50,000 pesos cash prize. Ang bumuo ng panel of judges ay distinguished cheerleading coaches and judges, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi maging sa international teams and cheerleading associations.
The cheerleaders are always present during competitions. Mapa basketball, volleyball, badminton, lahat yan, nandun sila because they're the ones who drum up interest and provide extra oomph when it comes to the competition. So this is their ultimate showcase. That's why it's very important.
Nasa NCAA Season 100 cheerleading competition din si Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, pati na ang buong management committee ng NCAA. Jasmine Gabriel Galban, One North Central Luzon.